Hi, in this video I'll show you how to reset the service light, not the oil change one and the days one, which due every year, the countdown days. Turn the ignition on and select the application, press enter from here. Okay, vehicle status, select maintenance, and now this service schedule is 0 days, so we need to reset. Okay, press enter. Here time due in 0 days, so we need to reset from here.
Time conversation today. What are your tips for making a bit of extra cash?
Sorry about this. Okay, are you sure you want to reset the schedule maintenance? Reset, yes. Okay, now it's saying 12 months, so due in 12,500 and time remaining is 12 months. So press the back button, bring up to the application, turn the ignition off.